Hello viewers, welcome back to another exciting edition. If you are new here, welcome. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notification so you don't miss any of our videos. Our today's topic is related to how to create new Chrome clone. If you want to create more Chrome clone, then you can easily follow these steps. In these steps, you can create unlimited Chrome clone. If you have low space in your PC, then you should use Chrome clone. Okay, if you are new here, again, subscribe my channel. Let's start our today's topic. First of all, click on the sign in option and then click on the add one option. A new dialog box will appear. You have to click on the continue without account. Then you can type here the Chrome name. For example, I type 1. Then I will click on done option. A new Chrome has been created. You can see in the bottom bar a new Chrome is appear. Again, you have to click on the sign in option and then click on add. After clicking on the add, a new dialog box appear again and you have to click on the continue without account, and here you can type another name for another Chrome. For example, I type 2 and then click on the done option. A new Chrome has been created. As you can see, 2 new Chrome has been created. So you can create more multiple Chrome browsers by following these steps. If you like this video, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.